product manager with Chief, the brand of Grandi AV. Today I'm coming to you from Chief's product development shop here in Minnesota. Today I'm really excited to share with you the launch of our new AVA 1101 accessory for the Tempo floor support system, the AVS FSS. It's the dual display mount that attaches nicely to the AVS FSS. It basically is composed of a horizontal rail and interface brackets for the flat panel displays. It attaches to the two uprights from the AVS FSS, and then it also bolts into the wall at the ends of the rail. It doesn't have to hit studs. It can all go into drywall. The displays can be anywhere from 46 to 100 inches, up to 100 pounds each, so a total of 200 pounds of supported weight. The AVA 1101 was designed to be compatible with multiple Fusion accessories like the speaker adapters or camera shelves. For example, the FCA 810HS, which is the camera shelf for the Vaddio HuddleSHOT camera. And so, just like any other Chief mount, you've got the pull tabs on the bottom that allow you to release the flat panel display from the rail. You can pull on it again to securely attach it to the horizontal rail. The interface brackets hang on the rail, so you've got lateral shift. So if you've got bigger or smaller screens, you can get them centered very nicely. The other nice thing is the interface brackets do have a post-installation height adjust feature. So with an Allen key, you can go up and down with the post-install height adjust screw. The other nice thing is that this is a very thin installation. So as long as your flat panel is under 2.3 inches in depth, you're able to achieve a 4-inch maximum depth off the wall in order to help you meet ADA requirements. And just like the same strategy we had with Tempo, we're making it really easy and quick for you to make the installation without having to do any wall inspections or wall remediations. All of the weight of the system is going to the floor, so it's really nice and quick. We're really excited to get this into your hands later this summer. For more information, visit legrandav.com, contact our customer care team, or contact your local sales representative.